Hello students, we are doing chapter number 7 percentage and its application, exercise 7.2. In last video we discussed till question number 6 and today we will start from question number 7. The cost price of an article is 90% of its selling price. Find its profit percentage. So selling price is given according to the cost price. It is given the cost price of an article is 90% of its selling price. So if selling price we will take 100 rupees, it means cost price is 90 rupees because percentage we are talking about 100. 90% means 90 for 100. So if selling price is 100, then cost price will be 90 rupees. Now we have to find out the profit percentage. So you can see here profit is selling price minus cost price, which is equal to 10 rupees. 100 minus 90 equal to 10 rupees. Now we can calculate profit percentage. Profit percentage is equal to profit by 100, profit by CP into 100%. So profit is 10 rupees and cost price is 90 rupees. Multiply by 100%. So 10 we can cancel out and we will get 100 by 9%. 100 by 9% means 11 whole number 1 by 9%. Next question number 8. Rao bought notebook at the rate of 4 for rupees 35 and sold them at the rate of rupees 5 for 58. Calculate his gain percent and the number of notebook he should sell to get a profit of 171 rupees. So first of all we will find out the cost price for one notebook and selling price for one notebook. So cost price for one notebook is given. CP of 4 notebooks is 35 rupees. Therefore cost price of one notebook will be 35 by 4 and we can change it into decimal or we can keep in fraction also. So in both the way answer will come same. So if we change into decimal we will get 8 rupees 75 paise cost price for one notebook. Similarly we will calculate selling price also. SP of 5 notebooks is rupees 58. Therefore selling price of one notebook will be 58 divided by 5 will get 11 rupees 60 paise. So according to one notebook cost price is this one and selling price is this one. We can calculate now profit percent. So his gain is equal to selling price minus cost price. Selling price is 11 rupees 60 paise minus 8 rupees 75 paise, which we will get 2 rupees 85 paise. Now this we can convert into percentage. So gain percentage is equal to gain divided by CP multiply by 100%. So gain we have here 2 rupees 85 paise and CP is for one notebook 8 rupees 75 paise into 100%. We can remove decimal and after calculation we will get here 32.57%. So you can, if you will take your cost price and selling price in fraction, then answer you will get in fraction. If you are taking in decimal, then you will get answer in decimal. So this is the first part. Now second part we have to find out number of notebook he should sell to earn 171 rupees profit. So we will do this by shortcut method, number of notebooks and profit. If for one notebook he is getting profit of 2 rupees 85 paise, now finally he has to gain 171 rupees. This much profit he want. For this suppose he is taking selling X notebooks. Now we can cross multiply. This is direct variation. So 2.85 into X is equal to 171. So X is equal to 171 divided by 2.85. You can remove decimal, 2 zeros we can include up, and 285. We can cancel out, and after cancellation we will get 60 notebooks. Next question number 9. A vendor buys bananas at 3 for 1 rupee and sell at 4 for a rupee. Find his profit or loss percent. So first we will find out for one banana cost price and selling price. So here they have given selling price, cost price of 3 bananas is 1 rupee. Therefore the cost price of one banana will be 1 by 3. Now selling price of 4 banana is equal to 1 rupee. Therefore selling price of one banana will be 1 by 4. And you can see here he have lost because he purchased 3 banana in 1 rupee, but he is selling 4 bananas in 1 rupee. And by this also you can find out 1 by 3, if you change into decimal you will get 0.3, and this you will get 0.25. So selling price is less than cost price. Because selling price is less than cost price, therefore he have loss, and loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Cost price is 1 by 3 and selling price is 1 by 4. You can take LCM. LCM is here 12. So both the denominator we have to make 12. First denominator we can multiply. First one we can multiply with 4 and second one we can multiply with 3. And when you are multiplying, multiply up and down. This will be 4 by 12 minus 3 by 12. So after subtraction you will get 1 by 12. So he have 1 by 12 rupees loss. Now this loss we have to change into percentage also. So loss percentage is equal to loss by CP into 100%. So loss we have 1 by 12 and CP is 1 by 3 into 100%. So when you are doing fraction division, always remember this down one will go up and this one will go there. So we'll get finally 3 by 12 into 100%. You can cancel out 3 4 ja and 4 25 ja. So answer is here 25%. So he have 25% loss. Next question number 11. A shopkeeper buy a certain number of pen. If the selling price of 5 pen is equal to the cost price of 7 pen, find his profit or loss percentage. So hint is given here. Cost price of 7 pen is equal to the selling price of 5 pens. So you can take, let it is equal to x or any number also you can take. Suppose I have taken this is equal to 100 rupees. So this value you can take any number or any alphabet. In both the way you will get same answer. Now we can find out for 1 pen's cost price and 1 pen selling price. Therefore cost price of 1 pen will be 100 by 7 rupees. You can leave it like this, so no need to do any other calculation. And similarly selling price of 1 pen is 100 by 5. Now because selling price is more than cost price, it means he is having profit, because selling price is more than cost price, therefore he have profit, and profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. So selling price is 100 by 5 and cost price is 100 by 7. You can take here LCM. LCM will be 35. So first fraction multiply with 7 up and down, and second one you can multiply with 5. So we'll get 700 by 35 minus 500 by 35, and after subtraction 700 minus 500 is 200 by 35. So this is the profit. Now this profit we have to change into percentage. So profit percentage is equal to profit by CP multiply by 100%. So profit we have 200 by 35 and cost price for 1 pen we have 100 by 7 into 100%. Now this we can shift up and this will go here. So we'll get 200 by 35 multiply by 7 by 100 into 100%. Now cancel out 7 5 are 35 and 5 40 are 200 and this 100 and this 100 will cancel out. So we'll get 40% profit. Next question number 11. Find the selling price when cost price is given 2360 rupees and profit percentage is given 8%. So this question also we will do by shortcut method. Profit percentage means we are talking about 100 rupees. For 100 rupees 8 rupee profit is there. So if cost price is 100 rupees then selling price will be 108 rupees. 100 plus 8. Now actually cost price is 2360 rupees. Selling price we have to calculate. So let it is x and then cross multiply it. 100x is equal to 108 into 2360 rupees. Now this 100 you can shift another side. X is equal to 108 into 2360 divided by 100. Now these number you can multiply and divide by 10. You will get 2548 rupees 80 paise. Second part of question number 11. Cost price is given 380 rupees and loss is given 7.5%. So this also we will do with shortcut. If cost price we will take 100 rupees then selling price will be 100 minus 7.5. It means 92 rupees 50 paise will be the selling price, because percentage means we are talking about 100. Now actually cost price is given 380 rupees and selling price we have to find out, so we can take it as x, then cross multiply. 100x is equal to 380 multiply by 92 rupees 50 paise. So x is equal to 380 multiply by 92 rupees 50 paise divided by 100. So 10 we can cancel out and these two number we can multiply. We'll get 3515 rupees by 100. So by 10. If we divide with 10 then one decimal will come. 351.50. This is the selling price of article. Next question number 12. A dealer bought a number of eggs at rupees 36 a dozen and sold them at 50% profit. Find the selling price per egg. So here 1 dozen means 12. So selling price, cost price of 12 eggs is given equal to 36 rupees. Therefore cost price of 1 egg will be 36 divided by 12 means 3 rupees. Now we have to find out selling price for 1 egg and condition is given 50% profit is there. So cost price and selling price. If cost price is 100 rupees then selling price will be 150 rupees because he have 50% profit. So 100 plus 50, 150. And actually cost price for 1 egg is 3 rupees and selling price if we take x then cross multiply it. 100x is equal to 3 into 150. So x will be 3 into 150 divided by 100. 10 we can cancel out and 5 2s are and 5 3s are 15. Then we'll get 3 into 3 9 by 2. And if you change into decimal you will get 4.5. We can write 4 rupees 50 paise. So selling price for 1 egg is 4 rupees 50 paise. So in this video we will do till here. Remaining questions we will continue in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.